Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is trigonometry. What is the chapter name? Trigonometry. In Greek, the meaning of trigonometry. Tri means that is 3. Gon means side. Macro means that is measuring. What are in Greek? In Greek, tri means 3, gon means side, metron means measuring. The combination of these 3 words gives to us a trigonometry. Okay? A trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. Okay, that deals with the relations between sides and angles of a triangle. A trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the sides and angles of a triangle. Okay, now what is angle? Angle means what? Angle is considered as, what is the meaning of angle? Angle is considered as a given ray rotate about its endpoints. Okay, for example, you see here, OA is a ray. A is a ray. It rotates it about its endpoint. Okay, no? So this is what we consider it as angle. Okay, so that is angle BOA or angle AOB. Okay, you observe here OA is called the initial side. OA is called the initial side, and OB is called what now? Terminal side. OB is called terminal side. You have to say the sense of angle also. The sense of angle. Sense of angle means what? Sense of angle. Sense of angle means that is a ray rotate about its endpoints in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. Clockwise ante 12 after 1, 1 after 2, like that. Moving from 12 to right side. Okay, na? So anti-clockwise direction means moving from 12 to left side. So that is 12 before 11, 11 before 10, 11. A ray rotates about its endpoint, okay, na, in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this is OA, OB. Is it clear? This is called the sense of, this is the positive angle. This is what now? Positive angle. Which direction it is moving? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and see this one. OA is a ray. It is moving about its endpoints. It is rotating about its endpoint in clockwise direction. Okay, so the sense of angle, we say that is a negative angle. Okay, now it moves what now? Clockwise direction. Okay, so the sense of angle, this is a positive angle and this is a negative angle. Okay, now so OA is the initial side and OB is the terminal side. Here OA is the initial side and OB is the terminal side. So this is the positive angle and this is the negative angle. Now naming the sides in a right triangle. naming the sides. Naming the sides in a right triangle. Okay. Naming the sides in a right triangle. I am going to consider a right triangle that is ABC. Okay. ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle is at a B. Okay. We know in a right angle triangle, one of the angle is exactly measures 90 degrees. Okay. So what about other two angles? Here angle B is equals to 90 degrees means other two angles, angle A comma angle C are, these two angles are acute angles. Means these two angles measures what? Angle A and angle C. These two angles measures uh, acute means in between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Yes. So clearly we can say that is angle A plus angle C is equals to 90. So one of the angle B measures 90 degrees and the others two angles their sum is equals to 90. 90, 90, 180. So angle sum property also satisfied. Here naming the sides in a right triangle. We know in a right triangle I am considering this one. What I am considering? Angle CAB or simply angle A is acute. What I am taking? Angle CAB or simply you can call it as angle A is acute angle. The side which is opposite to angle A. The side which is opposite to angle A. ఈ angle A కి opposite ఉన్న side ఏంటమ్మా? That is opposite side. Opposite side. That is what? BC or C. And the side which is adjacent to angle A. The side which is adjacent to angle A. So adjacent అంటే పక్కనే ఉండదు. So the sides which are adjacent to angle A that are AB and as well as AC. AB is adjacent side only and AC also adjacent side, but in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, the side which is opposite to the bigger angle, the side which is opposite to the bigger angle, that is the largest side. So in a right angle triangle, okay now 90 degrees, this is the bigger angle. The side opposite to the bigger angle is that is CA or AC. This is the longest side, we call it as hypotenuse. Okay now, that is what now? Hypotenuse. And now AB is what? This is the adjacent side. Okay now, this is the adjacent side. Okay, so like this you can give the naming in a right angle triangle. Now see the trigonometric ratios. What Nana? Trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are simply we call it as T ratios. What Nana? That are T ratios. I am going to consider a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, I am going to consider a right angle triangle ABC. So ABC. Okay, so right angle is at B. I am taking here this time. I consider angle C. Consider angle C. Angle C is an acute angle. angle ACB is an acute angle. So with respect to angle C, the side opposite to angle C, that is AB. Opposite side, the side which is adjacent side of angle C, that is what Nana? BC or CB. Adjacent side, and the side which is opposite to the bigger angle, that is the longest side, that is hypotenuse. Okay. So what I am taking the trigonometric ratios. They have a 6 trigonometric ratios. They are sine of theta. Sine of, this symbol is called, you read it as theta. Okay. Sine of theta, simply the short abbreviation is sine theta. Cosine of theta. Cosine of theta. That is what now? That is simply the short abbreviation, that is cos theta. Tangent of theta, that is simply short abbreviation is tan theta. Cotangent of theta, that is cot theta. Secant of theta, that is simply short abbreviation is sec theta.
Sir, battery.
Cosecant of theta. Cosecant of theta. Cosecant of theta, that is cosec theta. Okay. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios: sine of theta, sin theta; cosine of theta, cos theta; tangent of theta, tan theta; cotangent of theta, cot theta; secant of theta, sec theta; cosecant of theta, cosec theta. So this is simply sin theta. This is the short abbreviation of sine of theta. It is some members are understood it as it is not a product of sin theta means that is sine into theta. Some fellows are understood. It is absolutely wrong. It is not a product of sine and theta. Okay, now that is the short abbreviation of sine of theta. Is it clear? Now see, trigonometric ratios are by consider a right angle triangle. Okay, now the ratio of the sides with respect to angle C. I am taking here sine theta. Okay, now angle C, I consider it as what? Theta. Sine theta means the side opposite to theta. The side opposite to theta. What are that is? Simply I am writing the length of the opposite side by and the length of the hypotenuse. Means the ratio between the length of the side opposite to the angle theta by hypotenuse. The ratio. So that is what now? Opposite side is AB by that is what? Hypotenuse CA. So we can write it as the ratio AB is to CA. Yes or no? The ratio to opposite side, the ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse. Okay, na? That is AB is to CA. ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నదాన్ని రేషియోగా ఇలా రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో and sin theta means opposite side by simply hypotenuse. Means simply we can write the length of the side which is opposite to angle that is particular, that is C na ఇక్కడ theta తీసుకున్నాం by hypotenuse. Then cos theta is equals to the adjacent side of angle C, that is nothing but theta. Okay, na? The adjacent side by the length of the hypotenuse means simply I am writing that is hypotenuse. Adjacent side what are, that is BC by that is CA, and the tangent of theta. So that is simply tan theta. So that is the ratio of the side opposite to the particular angle C and the adjacent side. That is opposite side by adjacent side.
16.
Okay, opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side here? That is AB by adjacent side means what, Anna? That is BC. So clearly like this. Okay, the sine of theta opposite by hypotenuse, simply cos of theta, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan theta, that is opposite side by adjacent side. The reciprocals of sine theta reciprocal is cosec theta. Cosec theta is equals to, that is nothing but ulta into the hypotenuse by opposite side. Yes, and the reciprocal of cos theta, that is sec theta, that is nothing but ulta reverse of that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, whether hypotenuse by adjacent side. And tan theta ki reciprocal ulta, that is what, nano? Cot theta, that is adjacent side by opposite sides. Okay, na? So these three are the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. These six are the trigonometric ratios. Okay. So this is about the ratios. Na? So in next class we discussed about the problems which are based on the ratios. Thank you.